Hello Planet Mashers and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here and love all the things creativity, bullet journaling, planning, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you always know when I release a new video. Today we're doing yet another Doodle with me video and we will be doodling some cute fruits and vegetables. When it comes to doodling fruits and vegetables, I really prefer to make these doodles a little bit more interesting by animating them. Meaning that basically I just add a little different expressions to all the doodles of fruits and vegetables, and that's why today's video we're actually starting by drawing some different types of expressions. It's kind of a cheat sheet, so when I will be drawing my fruits I can always just look at the side and pick one of the expressions which I think fit that doodle. And now we're on to doodling the fruits and vegetables. So the thing is that fruits and vegetables are some of the easiest things to doodle because they all are made out of very basic shapes and it's pretty easy to see those shapes. As you watch this Doodle with me video, you'll see that I start each doodle by sketching in pencil some very simple shape and then just adding some more detail when I go over it with a pen. So I feel like these types of doodles would be great for beginners to kind of train your eye on how to see basic shapes and improve your doodling skills. These doodles are really cute and they actually can go very well as a theme for your bullet journal. In case you're wondering how would you ever use these doodles. I think a pineapple theme is awesome. Avocado theme, definitely something I want to do at some point because you can make them really cute, and just by creating different facial expressions every time you doodle your avocado or I don't know, or mango or a carrot, every time it will look different. And also of course these are great for your meal planning pages or some snack ideas pages or your cooking pages, your recipe pages, basically for every page that has something to do with food. I want to say thank you to everyone who supports me on Patreon and who donates to our coffee. Thank you guys. You really allow me to make Masha plans happen and to just spend more time creating content. Hopefully you guys love. And I will see everyone in my next video. Keep bullet journaling and don't be a blob. Bye!